When you told your family that you're going to become a real estate investor, what was their reaction?
I brought it up to my wife when I joined the real estate group, and she freaked out. She said, "Are you sure?"
How much money do you think she's going to make?
Whatever we can sell it for.
What are you
whatever
predicting?
Expenses. Okay. So doing the math, 270,000 times 0.18, so that's 48,000 that just goes away in expenses. And then the 150, okay, so 270 minus 48 equals 222 minus the 150, so about 72,000.
When you knock on a door like this, and there is a lot of homework, a lot of knowledge that you have to have as an investor to go in, continue to get to know her story, go through probate, working through the entire process, and then do a fix and flip. And you're pretty much helping her more here than yourself. How much money are you making?
So 10% of 270, 27,000.
So how long is it taking you to make 27K?
6 to 9 months.
How many hours have you put in between from that day that you went door knocking her house, getting to know her, closing the deals, through renovation, through fix and flip, and we're still going to sell? How many hours did you put it in?
So I outsource a lot of the time-intensive administrative tasks.
Yes.
So initial contact, 1.5, 2 hours. Contractor, 1 hour. Lawyer for probate, 30 minutes.
You do have the
Right.
power
So far.
team
So far.
that you can trust to make sure everything is being doing the way it needs to be, because anything can fall apart if you don't hire the right team, if you don't network with the right power team.
Right.
Because you can lose everything still, because if you don't have the right people on your power team.
Right. So the people that I trust to do the rest of the work, they're putting in a lot more time than I'm putting in. So my realtor, she's going to be putting in a lot more time selling the house. My general contractor, a lot of time. I basically hand him the keys in a lockbox and say, let me know when it's done and let me know if we're going to go over budget.
A lot of time, if you don't have enough knowledge or not having the power team, you're going to really help this lady, because not everyone knows how to work a reverse mortgage. Not everybody wants to go through probate. It would be so much easier to go find 3 more deals, and that is much simpler than go in and help this lady at that point. And the fact that you took the time, you bring in all your power team, all your knowledge, to spend the time and to be able to help her, to be able to get her to the next future that she's, that you're pretty much helping her to build.
Right.
And I think that's the power that we have today, that we are helping people, we are helping the economy, and we're helping ourselves. But in a deal like this, you should be very proud of yourself, because not everybody have the time, the power team to do it efficient the way you are right now.
And that's really the power of making a lot more money versus doing everything yourself, is relying on other people and sharing what you make. If you share what you make with other people, your realtors, your contractors, or even other real estate investors, you can spend the highest and best value that you can bring is maybe closing deals. And if you give away half of your money to a partner that brings you a deal and you can close it, you can make all the money in the world and have other people manage, and you just help oversee the project and give them advice when they need it.
And what time did you realize that real estate was actually really going to work for you?
I'm lucky it's the first person I talked to, but then I continued to door knock. I continued to market.